Good day everyone, I am a Filipino driver here in Taipei, Taiwan. I offered tour services to our Filipino migrant workers and to our tourists from the Philippines or other countries want a service tour here in Taiwan. We are a group of Filipino drivers speak Tagalog and English. We have car of maximum 4 passengers and we have also a van with maximum of 8 passengers. If any want tour service you can contact me on my Facebook. Dante Archo. We can make your Taiwan travel tours memorable. For tour details contact me on my Facebook. Early booking is needed. Thank you and have a good day. Ako na naman po ang inyong Pinoy Taxi Tour Service Taipei, Taiwan. Dante Archo. The best tour guide in town. Sa mga gusto po ng private tour maximum of 4 passengers and meron din van maximum of 8 passengers. Contact lang po sa Facebook ko Dante Archo. For tour details send me a message para gusto nyong magagandang pasyalan dito sa Taiwan. Thank you and have a good day. Please follow, like and share. Early booking is needed. Isang magandang araw na naman sa ating mga OFW at mga turistang Pinoy. Ako na naman po ang inyong Pinoy Taxi Tour Service Dante Archo. Maraming salamat po sa mga nagtangkilik ng tour service. Sa mga gusto ng tour service, maaari nyo akong makontak sa aking Facebook Dante Archo. Sa Viber, Line, at WhatsApp sa numerong +886955588563. Ako ay legit Pinoy taxi driver with travel insurance para sa ating mga turistang Pinoy dito sa Taipei. Sa mga gusto ng tour service early booking is needed, maraming salamat po. Private tours maximum of 4 passengers at meron din maximum of 8 passengers. For details of tours send me message sa Facebook.